In today's video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted task in Asana. We've all done it, deleted the wrong thing, and felt that jolt of panic. The good news is that in Asana, a deleted task isn't gone forever, and bringing it back is easy. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open my project by clicking on my test project. To show you how recovery works, let me first delete a task. I'll right-click on this one to bring up its menu, then choose Delete Task at the very bottom, in red. And it's gone from the list. Now, here's how we get it back, even long after that undo notification has faded. The secret is Asana's search, so I'll click the search bar at the top of the screen. When the panel opens, look at the saved searches near the bottom, and click the one labeled Deleted. And here's the recovery room. This page lists every task you've deleted, kept safely in one place for a full 30 days. To restore one, I'll open its details by right-clicking it and picking Open Task Details. Look at the top of the task. There's a red banner confirming it's deleted, and beside it, the Undelete button. I'll click Undelete now. And that's it. The task springs right back into its original project, exactly as it was, with every detail intact. Notice there's also a Delete Permanently option for when you truly want something gone for good. So to recap, to recover a deleted task, open the search bar, click the deleted saved search, open your task's details, and hit Undelete. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.